Good morning, guys. Welcome to online class. Hope you are keeping well by the grace of God. So, guys, today I am going to teach you English literature, and from the book, the main book, that is Beehive, and the first poem of your book, The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. Robert Frost is one of the famous and popular poems in the field of English literature. Frost is an American poet. He was born in 1874 and died in 1963. Most of the Frost's poems are based on realism or rationalism. So, The Road Not Taken also, one of the rational poems of Frost, in which the poet has depicted the mental state of a traveler, his dilemma, his confusion, through 4 stanzas of the poem. The poem consists of 4 stanzas. Each stanza consists of 5 lines. That means total 20 lines. So, students, I am going to read the poem. Please listen carefully. 2 roads diverged in a yellow wood. 2 roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveller, long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where I bent in the underworld. Then took the other, just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Though as for that passing there had warned then really about the same, and both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence, 2 roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. So, this is the complete poem of Robert Frost, The Road Not Taken. So, students, I am going to tell you what is the content of the poem. At least you can have a vivid idea about the concept of the poem. So, the content of the poem is a traveler. At this very moment, he is standing in between 2 diverged roads. Diverged means divided, bifurcated. 2 diverged roads, and both the roads are going towards forest, dense forest, and the season is autumn. So the traveler, he is in a state of dilemma that which road he should follow. So here one thing I would like to mention, that the traveler, it may be the poet himself, means Frost himself, or the traveler is a traveler himself. The poet has presented a character of a traveler.